Sage Brig was tasked with determining the most worthy deity to receive a special ritual. To make his decision, Brig decided to test the patience and humility of the three principal gods, Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva. First, he visited Lord Brahma, who was deeply immersed in his duties. His arrival went unnoticed by Brahma, which frustrated the sage. Undeterred, Brig then went to Lord Shiva, who was in deep meditation with his wife Parvati. Brig, feeling ignored, cursed Shiva to be worshipped only in the formless lingam. Finally, he visited Lord Vishnu. When Brig arrived, he first saw Vishnu's feet and felt insulted by what he perceived as a lack of respect. In a fit of anger, Brig kicked Vishnu on his chest, where Lakshmi resided. However, instead of reacting with anger, Vishnu gently massaged Brigu's foot and treated him with great hospitality. This act of humility and devotion from Vishnu pleased Brig, who declared Vishnu as the most worthy deity to receive the ritual. Lakshmi, feeling insulted by Brigu's actions, left Vishnu and settled on earth. Vishnu, missing his beloved consort, descended to earth and settled on the Seshachalam hills. Later, Vishnu met and married Padmavathi, the reincarnation of Lakshmi. Finally, Lord Venkateswara, an incarnation of Lord Vishnu, self-manifested in Tirumala without any human intervention. Today, lakhs of people visit Tirumala every day to have darshan of Kali Yuga god, Lord Sri Venkateswara, who is believed to fulfill their wishes. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more interesting information.